I had to make a newer video because the older one was outdated, and this newer method can be done directly through Trust Wallet. So first up, we're going to update Trust Wallet and in the app enable the USDC coin. Then just confirm the contract address is correct so you know you're using the right token. Now we'll get the dep URL from the channel. And just for reference, this is the channel right here, and this is the channel description. Now we're just going to copy the dep link and open it up in Chrome. Once it opens, click Continue with Trust Wallet and open up a new page. Trust Wallet can't deploy contracts, so a proxy deployer was set up so it can deploy and create a session for it. Once the session is created, we can interact with it directly. Now I'm going to confirm this so it can use it to deploy. It's done now, so I'll just click Delegate to open the session in Trust Wallet and start all 3 calls. I'm going to switch over to BNB chain and connect the wallet. The first call should finish writing the remaining data so the address can fully delegate. And this is the third call. The value should show as 0 because this call delegates and reverts. Trust Wallet can't properly estimate the changes because the BNB makes the call and comes back within the same call, so it shows 0 here, but you'll still be able to see the revert in the transaction history. Now that it's done, we don't have to open up the call URL to delegate like we normally would on MetaMask because we already completed everything directly through Trust Wallet. Now I'll head over to BNB, and here's the delegate and revert transaction we referred. The BNB was added back to the address. Now we're going to open the USDC token and keep refreshing until the tokens arrive. Okay, the tokens have been added, but we're not stopping here. We can also swap them to another token directly through Trust Wallet or whatever wallet the tokens are in. To make the swap, just click the swap button and the balance should show up there. We can swap it to any token supported by Trust Wallet. Some tokens take longer to arrive, so I'm just going to swap to Tron because it's quicker. We can swap any amount and it should work correctly. Just going to slide to confirm. The swap can take a few seconds or about a minute. Once it's done, the tokens should show up in the address. and that's how easy it is to swap. We can also swap it to Bitcoin, which is what we normally swap to. We've done a lot of Bitcoin swaps in the previous videos, but those usually take around 10 to 30 minutes to arrive, and I'm trying to keep this video short. Whenever I can, I'll post a newer video showing that too. And if you'd like to see more content like this, subscribe to the channel. I'll be posting a lot more.